Welcome students. Today we are going to discuss about hollow cylinder. In this presentation, we are going to discuss the curved surface area and total surface area of the cylinder. In previous class, we learned CSA and TSA of a cylinder. You please recall the formulas. Hollow cylinder. See this diagram. This type of cylinder is called hollow cylinder. The definition is an object bounded by two coaxial cylinders of the same height and different radii is called a hollow cylinder. Simply we say a hollow cylinder is a cylinder which is vacant from inside and has some difference between the internal and external radius. I think you can easily understand the definition. A hollow cylinder is a cylinder which is vacant from inside and has some difference between the internal and external radius. See here, the internal radius we note it as small r and the external radius capital R. You can say inner radius and outer radius also. But the height is the same. See here, of the same height and different radii. What is meant by coaxial? Coaxial means a line joining the center of each of the two bases is called coaxial. So, an object bounded by two coaxial cylinders of the same height and different radii is called a hollow cylinder. R equal to outer radius, small r equal to inner radius, h is equal to height. Then what is this W? The thickness of the portion is called W. We can find W outer radius minus inner radius. CSA of the hollow cylinder. Outer CSA of the cylinder. See this cylinder, this is the outer cylinder. We know the CSA of the cylinder equal to 2 pi RH, but outer radius is capital R. So, outer CSA 2 pi capital RH plus inner CSA of the cylinder. See the inner cylinder, this radius is small r. So, the inner CSA equal to 2 pi small RH. We have to add these two terms. 2 pi is common and h's is also common. By writing 2 pi h as a common factor, we get 2 pi h capital R plus R. So, CSA of the hollow cylinder equal to 2 pi h capital R plus R square units. Before we get its total surface area, we have to understand the circular pathway. What is meant by circular pathway? Circular pathway equal to area of the outer circle minus area of the inner circle. See this picture. This type of circles are called concentric circles because the center is same, the radius is different. The inner radius R, outer radius capital R. The region between these two circles is called circular pathway. How can we calculate the area of this pathway? What is the area of the circle? Pi r square. Outer radius means pi capital R square. Inner radius means pi small r square. Take this pi as common. We get pi capital R square minus r square is the formula for finding the area of the pathway. I hope you understand very well. Total surface area of the hollow cylinder equal to curved surface area plus area of the top ring. What's the area of the top ring? Pi capital R square minus R square. Then area of the bottom ring. That is also the same. See here, CSA and area of the top ring, bottom. These two are like terms. So just add these two terms. We get 2 pi capital R plus R into H plus pi 2 pi capital R square minus R square. Here we need to substitute the formula A square minus B square. We have to expand. So what happened? This R square minus R square, we write it as R plus R into R minus R. Taking this 2 pi R plus R as a common factor, what happened? 2 pi R plus R is common and the remaining parts R minus R plus H. So, TSA of the hollow cylinder equal to 2 pi R plus R minus R plus H square units. Once you visualize the formulas in this way, you don't need to memorize it. Hope you understand the concepts very well. Exercise 7.1, third sum. Read the question one or two times. Then only you can understand what is given. External radius is given. External radius 16 centimeter and length of a hollow wooden log. What is meant by length? Length is nothing but height of the cylinder, that is 13 centimeter, and its thickness is given 4 centimeter. We have to find total surface area. See this diagram. This is a wooden log, hollow wooden log. The external radius 16 centimeter and height 13 centimeter. Thickness is given. What purpose the thickness is given? Because we have to find total surface area, we need the inner radius. So using this thickness, we have to find the inner radius. Capital R 16 centimeter, height 13 centimeter. W equal to capital R minus small r. We have to find this R. You take this R as left side. What happened? R equal to R minus W. Then R equal to 12 centimeter. You know the formula. Total surface area equal to 2 pi capital R plus R minus R plus H. Substitute the values. 2 into pi 22 by 7, 16 plus 12, then 16 minus 12 plus 13. Simplify the numbers. 16 plus 12, 28. Here 16 minus 12, 4. So 4 plus 13, 17. Just cancel the 7 and 28. What happened? 4. So easily you can multiply this 22 into 4 as 88. 2 17s are 34. 88 into 34, 2992. So TSA equal to 2992 square centimeter. Hope you understand the concepts very well. Thank you.